Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial on this channel. Guys, for some time now I have not uploaded video on this channel, and some people have been asking me, coming to my DM and asking me that question. Okay, so guys, I'm sorry that I've not been uploading videos for days now, just that I was occupied with something. Okay, there is this challenge that people face it too much. I asked a question like that on Facebook, and the response of people majority was that they cannot max image into a shape, okay, especially a circle shape. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to max an image into a circle shape. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so. If you are a returning viewer, please like this video, you are welcome. And if you are a new person to this channel, you are welcome too. And if you have not subscribed, please kindly click on the subscribe button, like this video, and make your comments if you have any thoughts about the video. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's jump into the main video. Now in PixelLap, here we are in PixelLap. This is the PixelLap. So the first thing I want to do is I want to change the background color. So from here, from this background interface, I'm going to head over to color. I want to use gradient for the background. Gradient, something like this. Okay, here is how I prepare the gradient. You can see, just in case you want the color code, here is the color code. If you want to create exactly the same thing, here's the color code, so you can copy it from there, right? So okay, so the next thing I want to do okay, let me just create the background so that most of us will not be scared that I just brought up something. So I'm going to head over to color. I'm going to come to this default color. I'm going to click on the plus icon. Okay, so I'm going to, from here, you know, this side has been selected. I'm going to click on color, click on that color icon, then I'm going to click on this circle, and drag it to the color I want. Then I'm going to increase this a bit here. So I'm going to click OK on that. I will do the same here. Click on that, come to here, and then this time around I'm taking it. Okay, so I'm going to use this other gradient, the center. Okay, so that is the one I want to use. I'm going to click OK. Then we have that. So the next thing we are going to do is to bring in shape. So we are going to head over to this shape icon, shape interface, where you bring in shape and everything. So I'm going to change this to a circle. I'm going to change that to a circle. I'm going to increase it a bit. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to bring in the image. So the image is here. I brought it here. It's here. Okay, you have to bring the image. You have to click on either these three dotted icon. This three dotted icon on the top right. Click on it and click on use image from gallery. So once you click on it, it will take you to your gallery. So the next thing you can do, you can still bring image is from you first of all select the background, click on here, then come to import here with that image icon. Once you click on it, it will get you to your gallery where you will be able to import. Take it to your gallery where you will be able to import image. So I'm going to take the image to the front. Okay, so here is the image. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to max this image into this. Okay, we are going to max it into this shape. Okay, so I'm going to place the image here like this. I'm going to place it there like that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to highlight the image, then head over to mask. So I'll click on mask. I will enable it So the next thing I will do is to carry this point, this face point, I'll carry it to this place. I will put it there. Then the second point there, I will carry the second point. Okay, so guys, I hope you are following me. It's very simple. I will take the second point there. So what I will do is to edit those points so that it enters the circle well. So it enters the circle well. So I'm going to edit the points right now. Okay guys, I think it has entered the circle. Remember, we were using in. Look at this place. We were using max mode, we were using in, okay, when editing the points. So now I'm going to click on out for it to cut off the other side that we don't want. So I'm going to enable I'm going to increase that. Okay, you can see what is going on there. You can see. Okay, so guys, you can see it has marked it into the circle. So that is how to achieve it. Okay, you can see it has marked it into the circle, and it's looking so fine. So you can also edit it using positioning. Edit it using positioning, and you can bring it down a bit. So guys, that is how to mark an image into a circle. So guys, if you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, comment on the comment section what you feel about the video. So with all of that, see you in our next tutorial. Thank you for watching.